Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about easy garden decor ideas that don't require a lot of work. If you want a pretty garden without too much effort, you have come to the right place. So let's start our video. Before we get into the ideas, let's talk about why low maintenance garden are awesome. They are save your time and still look fantastic. Start by choosing plants that are easy to take care of. Things like succulent, ornate, grass and native plants are perfect. Rocks and gravel can make your garden looks great and they don't need much attention, plus they give your garden a modern touch. Think about garden furniture. Go for strong materials like metal, teak, or plastic. They can handle the weathers and don't need lot of upkeep. Stone and pebbles can be your garden decor. They are easy to use for pathways, borders, or even beautiful design, and they stay looking good without much work. Potted plants are your quick change decors. You can switch them out easily and bring some color to your garden. Think about low cost water features. Small fountains and bird baths are simple to maintain. Add a relaxing touch to your garden. Think about low cost water features. Small fountains or bird bath are simple to maintain and add a relaxing touch to your garden. Choose ground cover like wood clips. They look tidy, keep moisture in, and stop weeds from growing. Decorative outdoor lighting is a lovely touch. Solar lights are easy to use and give your garden a magical glow in the evening. Don't forget a bit of care like pulling weeds and trimming plants when you need it. It's not much work, but it keeps your garden look its best. So there you have it, easy garden decor ideas that need little upkeep to make your outdoor space lovely without the hassle. You don't need to be a gardening pro to enjoy a beautiful garden. If you like this idea, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening and decorating tips.